5:4 equals 20? Answer is 16. 30% of 200 equals? Answer is 60. 16 plus 8 times 9 equals? Answer is 88. A car travels 30 kilometers per hour. How far in 2 hours? Answer is 60. 9:2 equals 54? Answer is 12. Simplify the ratio 55 to 35. Answer is 11:7. A car travels 30 kilometers per hour. How far in 4 hours? Answer is 120. 8 plus 7 times 3 equals? Answer is 29. 40% of 80 equals? Answer is 32. 5% of 300 equals? Answer is 15. 50% of 300 equals? Answer is 150. A car travels 60 kilometers per hour. How far in 3 hours? Answer is 180. 9:4 equals 18? Answer is 8. 40% of 150 equals? Answer is 60. 610 equals 42? Answer is 70. 5 plus 16 times 3 equals? Answer is 63. 19 plus 12 times 5 equals? Answer is 155. Simplify the ratio 633. Answer is 211. 30% of 300 equals? Answer is 90. 32 divided by 2 plus 8 times 2 equals? Answer is 32.